Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been so long since I've done a video in the kitchen and I'm super stoked to offer you guys 5 brand new recipes today. And what I love about raw vegan for myself is it makes me feel so incredible, gives me so much energy, and these recipes specifically are very easy. So that's what I like, because when I see recipes with like 8 or 16 ingredients, I'm just not gonna do it. So these are easy and delicious, so let's hop into it. Fresh is always best. That's my motto, that's what I live by, and especially with salad dressings, because when you buy them at the store, typically there's about 15 ingredients, even on vegan ones, and they're just not fresh. So these ones won't last as long, but that means they're way fresher for your body, way healthier. And regardless of your lifestyle, even if you're not vegan, these are one thing you should incorporate into your diet at home. They're so easy to make, and a good salad a day with a good dressing goes a long way. So my first one is a zesty tomato Italian herb, and it is delicious, nice and great for summer. Summer is the perfect time to start making your own food, as all these amazing herbs and fruits and vegetables are in season. So with this one, we're gonna use half a beautiful washed organic tomato, and I'm saving the best for last, so make sure you guys stick around till the end. And we're gonna do in this one a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of olive oil, and we're gonna do the juice of a lemon. And guess what, you guys? All these recipes, I actually have so many more in my brand new Summer Recipes Raw Vegan ebook. I worked so hard on it. It's absolutely incredible. You guys will absolutely love it. So that's available now in the plant-based bundle. You get all of us creators have gone together for a bundle worth over $4,000, over 100 ebooks, courses, guides, recipe books, everything you name it, around plant-based, vegan, raw vegan, and you get it for 50 bucks. So it includes all my products as well, my raw vegan course, and all my other books. So 50 bucks, grab it, I'll put the link below. Okay, next up we have a sunflower seed Caesar. I don't know about you guys, but a Caesar salad, vegan style, has been one of my favorites over the years. Raw vegan food and vegan food, it is not boring. It's so delicious, you guys. So with this recipe, you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of soaked sunflower seeds. And then you're gonna use the juice of 1 lemon. And let me know down below your guys' favorite salad dressing. Let's share more in the comments, get people inspired to eating more real food. 1 clove of garlic, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more water to blend. Oh my goodness, you guys, smells divine. It's so delicious. You guys gotta make these. So this is the sunflower seed Caesar. Look at that, absolutely incredible. So many nutrients in sunflower seeds, and then the garlic as well, as you guys know. So antibacterial, so great for preventing flus and colds, and just great for blood flow in your body too, and so many other things. So ta-da! This is a fresh cilantro lime, great in the summertime to get your cilantro at the farmers markets or grow it in your garden. So we're gonna use half a cup of fresh cilantro, a tablespoon of fresh cold pressed olive oil, and we're gonna use the juice of 1 lime. And I know with oils, some people are afraid of them. So, I mean, it's up to you if you want to include them. But I know from a lot of people that I interview, like Yaki Awaken, they do include oils like olive oil, just not like the seed oils. So let me know your thoughts on the oils below. And we're going to use a teaspoon of garlic or a clove of garlic. And then we're going to add just a little bit of water as well. And then let's blend it up. So delicious and fresh, and cilantro is great for detoxing heavy metals out of our body and just making us healthier. Okay, this is an almond garlic, which is really delicious. You might not think to use almond in a dressing, but it's really great. So I would soak your almonds overnight or for 24 hours if you can. And almonds are a great source of many nutrients, including vitamin E. They're really good for the skin. I always notice when I have more almonds in my diet, my skin is always glowing more. So for this, you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of almonds. We're gonna use the juice of 1 lemon. And you guys, there's so many dressings in my new book. And it's not only dressings, it's pasta sauce recipes, juices, smoothies, desserts. It's my best yet. So you guys make sure you pick up that bundle. And we're gonna use 1 clove of garlic and some water to blend. This is my absolute favorite salad dressing on earth currently, and it's so healthy. So I'm just gonna make a double batch, but for a single batch, you're gonna wanna use half of a fresh ripe avocado. But again, I'm using a double batch, so I'm gonna use the whole one because I just use so much of this and keep it in the fridge. Most of these dressings will keep in the fridge for around 3 days. Some a little longer, but I always try to consume them as close to preparation as possible, just for maximum enzymes and freshness. And then you're gonna wanna use 1/4 of fresh herbs, which again, in this summertime, it's so much easier to get great herbs at the markets. So I use a mixture of dill, basil, cilantro, and parsley, but get creative, use whatever you want. And then I use the juice of a lemon as well. and then a little bit of water. So this is my favorite, but I'm gonna give you guys one bonus one next. It's a fancy one, and it's really easy to make and so good, so stick around. And use about a tablespoon of water to blend. Okay, this dressing, you guys, 10 out of 10. So good, you have to make it. It'll be the one you make every single day and your new favorite. And if you guys are wondering, I'm using the Nama juicer and blender combo because you guys always ask me what I'm using. So I have a code so you guys can save for that down below. And also for this week only, Nama has given us only an amazing code where you can save $80 on the J2. So that's this week only. I'll put that down below if you guys are in the market for a juicer. Okay, here we have a fancy fig balsamic, one of my great creations that's very simple. And you don't see figs too often in recipes. I have some other great recipes in the book, like a raspberry balsamic, delicious. But for this one, you're gonna use 2 dried figs soaked in water. So I soaked these for 12 hours in water. And we're gonna use about a tablespoon of balsamic. And I'm doing 4 because I'm making a bigger batch. And then a little bit of water to blend. And that's it. Just the 3 ingredients, you guys. The simplest stuff is absolutely most times the best. So this is great, a great addition to your summer kitchen. Okay, so here's the 6th, a bonus one. Fancy fig. I had to add more value, give you guys everything. Look at that. It is so delicious, so fresh, and figs have so many nutrients, high in minerals, good for blood pressure, super high in fiber. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this demo. All of these are just so fresh, so easy to make. And this upcoming summer is the perfect time to get into the raw foods. It's better than ever. So I can't recommend them. I can't recommend them enough. And my ebook, go grab that today in the bundle. And if the bundle's over when you guys are watching this, my ebook is still available for only 15 bucks. So support your girl. I love you guys so much. Let's get making more raw food. And I'll put a great video for you to watch on the screen right now. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.